fishing with worms. Oh, he's still trying. Hi, I'm Lacey Archer, and we're gonna fry a fish.
Yeah, show them how to do it. First, we start out with a sharp knife, pretty sharp. A nice bluegill, fresh caught this morning. First thing I do is I take the tip of the knife, scrape up a little scale there that'll keep your knife sharper, so you're not cutting through scale. Follow up that dorsal all the way to the top of his head. I get right in there, and you can feel the rib cage. And I'll flip him over. I'll do the same to this side. Follow that dorsal down right to the rib cage. I'll flip him back over. Now, right about to the end of the dorsal fin, over towards his little butt right there, I can run it right straight through, and I'll follow the tailbone down, just like that. Come up here behind that little black spot, and then come forward, because there's a lot of meat right there just over their head. Watch your fingers right there. Right over that. This one, like I say, right over his, follow that tailbone down. Then I take my fingers and I kind of pull that back. Follow the rib cage. Right down. Look at that. Follow this one, same thing. Follow this down. Follow that rib cage down. Take her off.
And your finished product should
Finished
look like
product
this.
right there.
On both sides.
Hands off a little bit. We'll clean this up a little bit.
Ew,
Now we're gonna skin it. I have a real flexible knife. You can do it with a stiff knife, but a flexible one works a lot better. I just take my fingernail, push down on the back, and start that, and hold that, and you just lay it right on the skin and fillet it right off. Look at that. That's 10-point buck equal right there. We'll do it again to this other one. Fingernail on the end of the tail. Follow the skin. Just lay it right on the skin. Take her down. There you have it. Look at that. Forward. Scale up there. Follow that rib cage, or follow that right down to the rib cage. Cut right straight across. Right out the tail. There. Take my fingers, fold that back. Follow that right down to the belly. Look at that. I'm gonna take this right off. You can scale them if you want, like they used to do back in the old days when I was a kid. Eat the skin and all that, but it doesn't get any better than that. Hey, and you know you're getting good when you can split the tail in half.